Hello, I'm panda observer Myriam from Mexico. In ancient China, the long has a very important significance. But now we're going to learn something new. In Mesoamerican culture and in Mexico, the jaguar was the most important one. Now we are here at Chengdu Museum to take a look and learn about the history of the jaguar in Mesoamerican culture. Let's go! This is Tlaloc, the god of rain. In ancient Mesoamerican cultures, he was one of the most important gods. You know, Mesoamerican cultures worship the god of rain. I know in China, the ancient Shu culture used to worship the god of sun, but we think water is very, very important because it brings life or it can cause death. Also, something important about Tlaloc is that when we were children, we were told if there is no rain, we have to go outside and dance for Tlaloc to give us some water. So even though we do not follow those previous rituals, still now it has a lot of significance in our lives. Something else that is important is that Tlaloc was the god of the skies, but the jaguar was the god of the rainforest. This is a very important sculpture for us. This is the great mace and jaguar. It's a jaguar combined with corn. Corn is very, very meaningful for our culture. Even around 5,000 years ago, we already had the kind of corn that we still eat and consume in Mexico. Corn is very important for us. We can compare it with rice in China. It's our most important main of nutrition in Mexico. We make corn tortillas, which is like a flat pancake if you don't know what it is. We also make different dishes that are very important and common for Mexicans. The jaguar was important for the Aztecs, the Mayas, but also the Olmeca culture. Here we have a very big and important sculpture. This is the jaguar prince, because the jaguar gave some significance. It was the god of sun. It will bring also the star at night. So that's why we think the jaguar was very, very meaningful.
El jaguar estaba dotado de ricos significados simbólicos. Era a la vez la encarnación del sol durante el día y el mensajero de las estrellas por la noche. La gente creía que los jaguares podían manejar los límites de la vida y la muerte y podían viajar libremente entre la luz y la oscuridad. Se jacta de historia y transmite civilización.